My name is Pardika, and I invite you to discover Echoes from the Past, the Ubud Historical Walk, a journey designed to immerse you in the history and the spirit of Ubud. This tour is perfect for travelers seeking a deeper, more meaningful connection with Ubud's cultural and spiritual heart. We begin at Pura Melanting, a sacred temple where you will be witness authentic Balinese spiritual life and the tradition that shape daily life here. Stroll along the iconic Gautama Street, featured in Eat Pray Love, and visit the majestic Ubud Market and Ubud Palace. Close to Ubud Market, there is Chatuspata or Four Junction, which is the spiritual core of the town, where positive and negative energy converge to create balance and harmony in accordance with Balinese cosmology. Next is Ubud Palace, served as cultural and ceremonial heart of the community, preserving traditional art, ritual, and values while continuing to guide social and spiritual life in Ubud. Through its patronage of dance, architecture, and cultural diplomacy, the palace has reshaped Ubud into a globally recognized center of Balinese culture without losing its local identity. The journey continues at the Puri Lukisan Museum, where Ubud's rich artistic heritage comes alive. More than just sightseeing, this experience offers a genuine connection to the soul of Ubud.